Okay, today we are going to start a new project using Google Tour Builder. This is a program that's relatively new to Google, so you may not have seen it or actually played around with it before, but it's neat. It allows you to create a tour, sorry, using Google Maps and Street View and things like that to actually plan a tour around a certain area. So, we're going to start today with information gathering, as we always do. Whenever you start a project that's going to take you several days, it's good to kind of gather all your information into one location. So, I've given you a document where we're going to do that. Again, this will count as a quiz grade, so make sure you complete this document first. No one is going to Tour Builder today. I'm going to show you what it looks like, but we're not actually going to go into Tour Builder until Wednesday and Thursday. You're going to have today and tomorrow to work on your actual document, to gather your information, and then Wednesday and Thursday will be to go into Tour Builder and actually build your tour. So do not go to Tour Builder today. That's why you don't have a link for it. We're only doing the document. So if we take a look at our rubric, the reason why I gave you the rubric today is because there's two important links on here that you can use if you get stuck. So if we take a look, you're going to create a digital tour in Google's tour building program. Okay, your tour can have any theme you choose. So you can make a tour of places you wish to visit someday. So maybe you have all these cities around that you want to go and see. That might be the theme of your tour. Maybe you learned about interesting locations in social studies, and that's what you're going to do. Maybe just random places you're interested in, or you can just pick any place you want. It doesn't matter. If you can't think of cities that you want to actually explore, cities that you want to put on your tour, that's why you have these two things here. These are random city generators. So what you do is you click. So this is, see how this is world cities. This will be cities throughout the entire world. So here's 6 random cities, St. Petersburg, Russia. Notice the country is listed. Okay, because you're definitely going to want to write the city and the country if you're doing world cities. And I would do the city and the state if you're doing US ones. So here's Melbourne, Australia. So this is only 6. You need 10, right? So you hit this little rerun button and it'll give you 6 more. So there's Tokyo, Japan. So you're going to pick out 10 different cities that you want to go to. This is the world one. This US cities one looks exactly the same, but they're all cities that are located within the United States. Here's Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Raleigh, North Carolina, Corpus Christi, Texas. So again, you can do this the same way. So you can pick your own cities that you want to go to, or you can use the random city generator. It's your choice. Okay. I'm going to leave this open for a minute because I'm going to use it. We're focusing on today just this first part. Find at least 3 interesting facts about the location. Okay, this is going to be written in your actual tour itself, but we want to gather that information first so we don't have to do it on the fly. So today, you're going to decide on your 10 places and then start doing research to find your 3 facts that you want to write. Your 3 facts can be anything. Maybe it's the population of the city. Maybe it's interesting tourist attractions that people go and see. Maybe it's a really famous restaurant that's located there that you're dying to go and try and eat there. Whatever it is, you are just giving me 3 interesting facts about, this particular city. Any 3 facts that are true. So you cannot make things up. You need to actually go and do research. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to leave my US city generator up. I'm going to open up my document here. I gave you 10 slots. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is go through here and list the 10 cities that I want to visit. So let's say I don't have anything on my checklist, so I'm going to just use my random city generator. So I have Virginia Beach, Virginia. Okay. Virginia Beach, comma, Virginia. I spelled Virginia wrong here. There's an extra. Okay. And then I'm going to put location 2. Let's go to the next one. The next one is Denver, Colorado. Denver, comma, Colorado. Okay. And the third one, Riverside, California. I don't even know really much about Riverside. I know about the other 2. Riverside, California. Okay. And so on and so forth. You're going to go down and you're going to list all 10 locations. Okay. Once you've listed them all, now I'm going to do a Google search. And I'm going to say, all right, I'm going to copy, not cut. Okay, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Let's see if I can find out something about Virginia Beach, Virginia. Let's say facts. I'm going to add the word facts. Virginia Beach, Virginia facts. Here's fun facts about Virginia Beach. So then I'm going to go through and I'm actually going to read some of this and find out something that's interesting, that, people might actually want here. This is cool. The Virginia Beach Boardwalk was originally built in 1888. That's an old boardwalk, 1888. So the Virginia Beach Boardwalk was originally built in 1888. Control copy. And I'm going to put that as fact number 1. And then I'm going to go on. I'm going to do fact 2 and fact 3. And then I'm going to do research for Denver, Colorado. And I'm going to do fact 1, fact 2, fact 3. This is why I'm giving you 2 days, because I know this is a lot. So your goal would be to get maybe to 4 today, because I know that you have to, find all your cities and everything first. And then the rest you'll do on Tuesday. Okay. But we're gathering the information today. Now, ultimately, what you're going to be doing is creating a tour in Tour Builder. So this will be on Wednesday and Thursday. Here's an example of just 3 that I did. So I did Washington, Philadelphia, and Boston, right? So when you click on this, it takes you to the location. It zooms in on a street view that I chose. And then I have a couple of pictures that I added in. And I'll show you how to do all of this. And then I can go to location 2, which is Philadelphia. It brings me to Philly, zooms me into my street view that I picked. There I am. I can look at my pictures. Here's where my facts are located. All right, so this is what you're going to be building at the end. So just realize this is what the ultimate goal is. But today, I just need you to create that document, start the document, and start gathering the information. All right, so as always, don't turn in your document today, because you're going to work on it again tomorrow. So that's fine. Just work on what you can get done, and then we'll continue with that in tomorrow as well. And on Wednesday and Thursday, we'll do the Tour Builder. If you have any questions, GoGuardian will be open for chat. I have my Google Meet open. You can pop in and ask me a question and let me know. But like I said, today is just fact building and gathering. Okay? Good luck with everything.